Welcome back, boys, to Tkirkmedia. We've got a special occasion for this Labor Day weekend. I've got these strung up here like they're some kind of, I don't know, puppets, I guess. I'll be the master of puppets, but we're gonna primer, or I'm gonna primer these. You can help if you'd like from your chairs, I don't know. But we're gonna primer these fenders, and then in the morning we'll wet sand them, and then we'll get on with it and paint them. I picked up some paint, just some more mixed in a can, and some primer, etch primer. Get these nice and cleaned up and get them on the Civic, because it's time to kind of start cleaning up the Civic furthermore. So alright, let's do this. Primer is dark gray. Did not expect that to happen. Black fenders, or I don't know, they were colored like probably a black primer or something, but dark gray primer, so it's kind of tough to see where you've hit. So not bad for rattle can. Still gonna wet sand it, so I'm gonna let these dry overnight. It's kind of humid out, kind of hot, but it'll bake overnight. And after that, tomorrow morning we'll wet sand it, followed by probably a Tide bath, and paint them. So I think they'll turn out pretty good, honestly. For $36 CertaFit fenders, they don't look too bad. And I'm stoked because one of them, obviously from the ball joint incident, one of the fenders is doomed, so might as well. So it's been wet sanded, it's taken care of. It's drying a little bit, but about to shoot my first coat of the pre-mixed white stuff. So this one's drying. We're all strung up again. Master of puppets. So paint these, let them dry all day, install them in a few days, because work's about to start back up. RIP Labor Day weekend. Thank you for the 3-day, because I was able to get a bunch done. But let's paint these. That's my last coat, and it's looking glossy, kind of. It's a single stage, so I probably would be more of a matte finish. This one's looking all right. So Civic should get some new fenders pretty soon, and I mean, it's not bad for a rattle can job. Can't complain. We'll see how it dries and glosses up and see how it looks. Hopefully it'll look a little more glossy, but I doubt that it will. So I mean, as long as it matches the paint pretty good, probably won't. But it's white, so it's all that matters. NH538-4. So, pinstripe eraser pad. Let's see how it works. Paint's looking good on the fenders. Now let's see if we can get the finishing touches. It stinks. It stinks really bad, and it just shot off. But it's working. It's kind of removing my paint. What is this? What the f? Yeah, that's burning through the paint, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, man. That looks like ass and it stinks like poop. God. So once you get the hang of it, it's actually not too bad until your drill dies. But so it works. It was my mistake over here. Really got heavy into the paint. That was my bad. Stinks like when you erase too much on the math test. So I know the smells. But one big giant eraser. Not a fan of whatever it's leaving behind, but on the door it's looking better. If I can just get it mostly gone and then clean out all that stuff so it's livable. This is really frustrating though. Terrible design. Garage is an absolute mess. This is that AES dealio that I used to get the pinstripes out. This is what happens if you hit it too hard, too long, too hot. So, plus it says like don't exceed a certain RPM, 4,000. I don't know what that drill is capable of, but definitely screwed up that side. This side's not as bad, but I've also gone at it with some rubbing compound like crazy. It's probably part of the reason it looks a little better, but definitely not happy with it. And the pinstripe itself left a little bit of yellow behind, so that's what it looks like. Now the fenders on the other hand look good. The entire car needs paint, but it's done. Probably could go at it again with some more rubbing compound, not this turtle stuff. This is like the cheapest stuff you can get, but I think it's just SOL at this point. At any rate, the Civic is transforming into its better self, slowly but surely, getting more parts for it. I actually got these, came in today, or the other day. Some brakes, so I don't know that I'll throw those on video, but I might, who knows. Everybody knows how to do brakes, but centric blanks along with some HPS pads. Pretty stoked on that. The rears probably need pads too, but that's another day, another dollar. Let's get to it, to the beauties. Notice the trash? That's by design, because it's the way I feel about how it turned out. Gotta be honest with you, not very happy with the eraser burn-in on the side panels here. But at any rate, you know, trying to make the car better. Yeah, AES rubber eraser smells bad. Turns out decent, honestly. I mean, it probably could have been a lot better if I didn't go as ham as I did, but a little Type S action leaving here. But, well, I guess that leaves me towards the end of the video here. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below for more. We're gonna get this bread.